Hey, good morning everybody. I'm not going to show you too much of this property because I already showed you some. Just going to show you that we out here and we working. So we got all this side mowed, edged. Still got to blow. Looking good out here, man. It's summertime, everything's nice and green. Yo, we just finished one of the properties just in time. It started raining. You can see Alex went to collect. We had one more, you know, right up the road. Started pouring, you know, but at least we got one done. So that's good. Look at that. Alex went to go collect. Woo. Started raining on us. Got it done just in time. What's up? I got this on my head. It's a good thing these aren't the Bluetooth ones that would have fucked up in the water. I went with the basic. All right, man, I'm gonna slide by my next client and let her know. Show my face and tell her, hey, unfortunately it's raining out here. I have to reschedule. Yeah. Probably go get some lunch. Let's go get some lunch. It's kind of early though, man. Just had breakfast. It's kind of early, man. 11:39, man. All right, we out. Heading out. Gotta keep the waters on deck. You know the setup. Take a little peek in there. No zero turn. Still getting this paper. Yesterday we got rained on. Pretty hard too. Twice, man. We couldn't even finish working out there. We gotta call it a day. Yeah, I got a little bit of a mess. Sorry. It was a late night last night. But I got shit done. We got a couple front yards, then we gotta do one that we didn't get to finish yesterday. We left incomplete. So the front yards are kind of far, so we're gonna knock out those and work our way back this way. Just finishing up a property. Look at this. Can't get it right now. Alex shaped up those trees right over there. Okay. Look at that cloud. But over here, not so bad, huh? Over here. On this side. Yeah. Kind of cloudy today. I'm on lunch right now and I just want to take a quick second to give a shout out to some people. First of all, I want to give a shout out to my brother Chris, because since I hired him, my quality of work has increased. And I used to work alone and I was killing myself out there. And ever since I hired Chris, you know, I just seen things start getting done quicker. I just appreciate him. Also, I want to give a shout out to my boy Mark from Eclipse Lawn Care, because my boy's out there hustling. He's got a great squad. He gave me like 3 shout outs. So what's up, Mark? Everybody, if you're not subscribed to Eclipse Lawn Care, go over there and subscribe and give them some thumbs up. What's up, y'all? This is what we got today. We were here yesterday and we started it, but we got rained on. So this is where we got to. We did good, man. We got pretty far. And my boy got the new Echo. That's what you call dedication. Backyard looks pretty damn good. I don't know if y'all remember, I didn't really get a good before picture. But look at this backyard, man. It has come together. I'm gonna show you all this around the AC, around the fence, over here in this corner. About to move on to the front. Now we gotta tackle this corner. We'd eat the hell out of this along the side of the house here. Front's not too bad. A little tall, but not too bad. Here, look. Remember how tall the grass was? It's all done. Yeah, he says he'll talk to his wife, and I'm sure we'll be back here, dude. This is what we did. When his wife sees that, she's gonna be like, "Oh my God, call them back, honey." So like the wives get happy type shit, you know?
I know.
The wives get happy. Even the daughter ran out and said, "Yay."
I know, I saw her running.
She was like, "Yay." Looks like we got a little bit of rain. And we're about to head out to a property. We're about to do the last one. It's been a cloudy day all day today. It's only a matter of time.
Yep.
Look at stopping. It's Tampa for you, bro. Tampa, home of the Lightning. Home of the Tampa Bay Lightning, damn hockey game. Why do you think they gave them the name Lightning? It's always.
Yeah, dog. Especially in the summer. Yeah.
Catch-22.
Yeah, that's true.
You know. So another day with the rain. Got rained out again, so we couldn't really finish the last lawn. We went over there just to check on it. It's overgrown. We gotta cut it twice. They gotta get the overgrown feet. But like we're gonna be doing that tomorrow. This is actually, we're gonna do 3 tomorrow. So this is one of them right here.
Got one right here.
Right here.
You can see it's a little wet, you know.
It's wet out here.
It's pretty wet out here, man. All them damn grass clippings.
It's hard to work.
It's hard to blow and everything. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Until then.
Out here trying to fight this rain, man. See what we can get done. That's what we're gonna be mowing today. Yeah, back to front. Back to front. Front to truck. Just a little mist, so we decided to continue.
Pretty leaky.
I'm gonna roll up his water hose before I go up there.
Yeah.
Looks good on this side. He always had a lot of leaves. We did kind of a leaf cleanup, additional, for free, courtesy.
Just want to show you this real quick. This property hasn't been edged in a while.
Haven't edged this yard in a while. Look at all that's from the edge.
Right there. A little bit more over here. Hasn't been edged in months.
Said you love me, no you did not. Racks in my jeans now, I'm counting us. You said you love me, no you did not. Chanel in my ears now, can't hear you talk. Shut up. You said you love me, no you did not. Racks in my jeans now, I'm counting us. You said you love me, no you did not. Chanel in my ears now, can't hear you talk. Shut up. Falling apart, blunts in the dark. Falling apart, hit restart. Finna call a penthouse, I'm just a kid. Do first, ask later, that's how I live. Taking all of these shots, cause I don't miss. Ozzy, my first wave, don't have my permit. Yeah, I'm just grinding, some light lipstick. Designer on my face, Chanel her lipstick. Motherfucker, a 9 to 5, I'ma take a risk. Motherfucker, a 9 to 5, rather Cartier my wrist. Falling apart, blunts in the dark. Falling apart, hit restart. You said you love me, no you did not. Racks in my jeans now, I'm counting us. You said you love me, no you did not. Chanel in my ears now, can't hear you talk. Shut up. You said you love me, no you did not. Racks in my jeans now, I'm counting us. You said you love me, no you did not. Chanel in my ears now, can't hear you talk. Shut up. You said you love me, no you did not. Racks in my jeans now, I'm counting us. You said you love me, no you did not. Chanel in my ears now, can't hear you talk. Shut up. You said you love me, no you did not. Racks in my jeans now, I'm counting us. You said you love me, no
Alright.
you did not.
We're able to get this all mowed up. It's looking good. Not tall anymore.
Falling apart, hit restart. Finna call a penthouse, I'm just a kid. Do first, ask later, that's how I live. Taking all of these shots, cause I don't miss. Ozzy, my first wave, don't have my permit. Yeah, I'm just grinding, some light lipstick. Designer on my face, Chanel her lipstick. Motherfucker, a 9 to 5, I'ma take a risk. Motherfucker, a 9 to 5, rather Cartier my wrist. Falling apart, blunts in the dark. Falling apart, hit
Yo, what's Bob? Just finished a property. It's actually gonna be our last mow there. The gentleman's moving out. And I was mowing him like ever since I started this business. When I didn't even have shirts yet. I was just in like green polos and like no trailer, one mower, doing him. So I'm kind of a little bit sad. But we're headed to the next property. It's overgrown as crap. And we just gotta get that overgrown feed.
Yeah.
But it's all good. We're headed over there now. It's really cloudy today, no sun. Check it out. It actually rained on us while we were doing the backyard on that last client we were just at. We decided to keep going though. F it. And you know, it's kind of good. It's not sunny. You know, it's not super hot. I'm not like drenched in sweat. So that's a plus. You gotta take 5 minutes sometime, you know? It rained on us again. I'm gonna save some of this. All right, so we did the backyard at this client's house. It's a little overgrown. Took a little break. We're gonna do this front yard. I'm gonna get some footage since it stopped raining finally. Still cloudy as shit though. And get some footage of Chris mowing.
We weren't able to finish this property. We did the backyard, but this is the condition that it's in. You know, we didn't have enough time to blow, you know, all this into the yard, you know. And I started mowing over there, but yeah, it's too wet out here, man. Okay. All the debris. Okay. Yeah.
You know me, I was trying to continue. All right, well, we're paid. We actually got paid though.
Oh yeah. So we gotta come back tomorrow morning.
Yeah. If we can't come back, if the sun doesn't come out today, we'll come back in the morning. Let's go get a sandwich.
All right. Let's go.
Oh, my bad, dude. Sorry.
It stops, it rains, it stops.
I know, man. I hate leaving yards halfway done like that.
I know, it's messy.
It looks like crap. It's just too wet. It's too wet to like continue.
Yeah,
man.
with all this
the mowers be boggling up.
Yeah.
The freaking, you can't blow the wet grass. Like, God. So I really couldn't eat a steak sandwich, but this will do. Shout out to Mama. Mama's cooking some of that Latino food. Shout out to my Latinos out there. What y'all know about plátanos? I don't know about no plátanos. all day. But we're on the way home now. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Real quick, give me a thumbs up. Shout out to all my lawn people out there. Clips Lawn Care. My dog Keith Kalfas. My boy Keith Kalfas. Brian's Lawn Maintenance. Who else we got, dog? Oh, Dan's Vlog. If y'all don't know
the OG.
If y'all don't know Dan's Vlog, go check out Dan's Vlog, man. He's an OG. He is an OG, bro. He taught me a lot.
That's like the first guy I came across when it came to YouTube. He got
all kinds of stuff on there. How to mix chemicals, how to trim. He's a beast at trimming
pressure
bushes.
washing.
His bush trimming game is on point. Hey Dan, if you're watching this, Dan, what's up? Subscribe, bro. I'm probably the only dude on YouTube that's a rookie also. Starting from the bottom right now, I'm at square one. Well, not square one, because I started doing this in 2016, the lawn care stuff. I did it for side cash, strictly, only. A little bit of side cash, so I can take my girl out to the movies, or so I can take my girl out to get some food sometime, here and there. I just wanted some extra money in my pocket, so I started cutting lawns. But this is the first year that I'm taking it absolutely serious. So, you know, I got the shirts, got the truck, the trailer, the equipment, you know, and I ain't stopping this year. This year I'm taking it all the way. We blowing it up. My goal is to leave my job by this year or next year. Look at this. Hello?